Focus on the race.
All right, bring it on.
Sonic is off in a nice rapid start. Sonic is rapidly increasing speed. Sonic has failed to trick you. He makes a nice landing. Nice building momentum. Oh, he failed to land correctly. Jet has done a great job taking advantage of the lead. Building momentum. Has he been purposely keeping a low profile in the first half of his race? Just behind the leader, Blue. This cost him the race. But Sonic just threw a race. He's flying.
See ya.
Sonic has lost his balance and also some speed. Boomerang has done a great job taking advantage of the lead. Jet has done a great job taking advantage of the lead. Boomerang is rapidly increasing speed. Boomerang has done a great job taking advantage of the lead. Yeah, great combination. Look at F-Man ride that turban. Nice, rapidly increasing speed. That's rapidly increasing speed. Sonic enters the corner, flying ready. Boomerang is building momentum. And he makes a smooth landing. That is rapidly increasing speed. Sonic is rapidly increasing speed. But Sonic just threw wings. He's flying. Sonic is building momentum. Sonic is successfully jumped into the air. Sonic flying for the rail. Yeah, great combination. Makes a perfect landing and takes advantage of his speed. Sonic has successfully jumped into the air. Rapidly increasing speed. Look at Blade